hernia may occur into the lesser sac. Means the some of the intra-abdominal organs enter from the lesser sac to the greater sac. That is internal hernia. Ligamentum teres is a remnant of left umbilicus. It is a remnant of the left umbilicus vein. Kidney is a retroperitoneal organ. The inferior mesenteric vein is related to the paraduodenal fossa. Lining of the peritoneum is called as a mesothelium. Visceral peritoneum is derived from the Schleich mesocolon. The peritoneum is very loosely attached to the anterior abdominal wall. All parts of the duodenum is retroperitoneal except only the first and last part of the duodenum. First 2.5 centimeter and last part of the duodenum are attached by the peritoneum. Otherwise, duodenum is entirely a retroperitoneal organ. What is the length of the esophagus? The length of the esophagus is 25 centimeter. Name the blood supply of the stomach. Stomach is mainly supplied by left gastric artery. Features of the stomach: anterior surface, posterior surface, lesser curvature, greater curvature, fundus and body, and pylorus. Blood supply of the stomach, it consists of, stomach has two orifices, cardiac orifice and pyloric orifice. Then the blood supply, left gastric artery, then the right gastroepiploic artery, and the fundus is supplied by 5 to 7 short gastric arteries. The lymphatics of the stomach, the left gastric nodes, celiac nodes, hepatic nodes, and pyloric nodes, and right gastroepiploic nodes, and pancreatoepiploic nodes. What are the layers of the stomach? Mucous membrane. In the histology of the stomach, the cardiac end has a different histology, and the body and fundus has a different histology. Cardiac end has a mucous membrane, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. But the fundus and body consist of mucous membrane, muscular coat, and muscularis externa and serosa, and pyloric end has a mucous membrane, and the gastric glands are more numerous in the body and in the fundus, in the submucosa. Name the structures present in the stomach bed. The left suprarenal gland, left kidney, then the splenic artery and pancreas are the structure, and spleen These are the structures that makes the bed of the stomach. Which artery is supplied to the fundus of the stomach? That is the short gastric arteries. Cardiac orifice of the stomach is at the level of the left seventh costal cartilage. What is the length of the small intestine? The length of the small intestine is around 20 feet. Duodenum is 25 centimeters long or 12 fingers. It consists of the first part, second part, third part and fourth part. The length of the first part is 5 centimeters, second part 7.5 centimeters, the longest part of the duodenum is 10 centimeters and fourth part 2.5 centimeters long. The vertebral relation of the duodenum is L1, L2 and L3. Duodenum is supplied by the right gastric artery, supraduodenal artery and retroduodenal artery and some branches from the right gastroepiploic artery. Jejunum and ileum. Three important differences between the jejunum and ileum. Location: occupies upper and left part of the intestinal area. Ileum occupies right lower and right part. Walls of the jejunum is thicker, walls of the ileum is thinner. Lumen is wider of the jejunum, lumen is narrower of the ileum. Mesentery: in the jejunum, windows are present, fat less abundant and arterial arcades 1 to 2 and vasa recta. In case of ileum, no windows, fat more abundant, arterial arcades 3 to 6 and vasa recta shorter and more numerous. The circular mucosal folds are larger and it is smaller in ileum. The villi are large and thick. The villi in the ileum are smaller and thinner, finger-like. Peyer's patches are absent in jejunum. They are present in the ileum. Peyer's patches. Solitary lymphatic follicles are fewer in jejunum and they are more numerous or abundant in ileum. So ileum. What is Meckel's diverticulum? Meckel's diverticulum is the persistent proximal part of the vitellointestinal duct which is present in the embryo and in which normally disappears during the 6th week of intrauterine life. Some points of the interest are there. So Meckel's diverticulum. What are the parts of large intestine? Large intestine consists of the cecum, vermiform appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum and anal canal. What is the length of the large intestine? Large intestine is 5 feet long. What is blood supply of the large intestine? The blood supply of a large intestine mainly the mesenteric, superior mesenteric artery and the inferior mesenteric artery. Now, differences between the large and small intestine. Differences between large and small intestine. The length of the small intestine is more, the length of the large intestine is less. Appendices, epiploidy is absent in small, they are present. Tinea coli are present in the large intestine, absent in the small. Sacculations are present in the large intestine, they are absent in the small intestine. Distensibility, small intestine less distensible, stretching, and large intestine more distensible. Fixidity, the small intestine is mobile, and large intestine, that fixidity is greater, but it is fixed. Villi are present in small intestine, they are absent in the large intestine. Pears patches are present in the ileum, they are absent in the large intestine. Common site for worms, small intestine, and that amoebiasis is common. Effect, if there is an infection to the small intestine, there is a diarrhea, and infection to the large intestine leads to the dysentery. What are various positions of the vermiform appendix? Vermiform appendix. The retrocolic 12 o'clock is very common, it is 65%. Then pre-ileal 1% or 3 o'clock. Then the post-ileal is 4 o'clock. Then the promontoric is 3 o'clock. Then the pelvic is 4 o'clock, and the mid-inguinal is 2%, and paracolic is 11 o'clock is 2%. The most common position of the vermiform appendix is that is the retrocolic or 12 o'clock. That is very common. What is blood supply of the appendix? Appendicular artery. The blood supply of the appendix. It is a division of the ileocolic artery. We have already discussed what is McBurney's point. Junction of the line joining the umbilicus with the anterior superior iliac spine. The lateral 2/3 and medial lateral 1/3, lateral medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. Junction of that point is called as a McBurney's point, where there is a appendix. Inflammation of the appendix is called as appendicitis. What are the name the branches of the anterior abdominal wall? Ventral branches of the anterior abdominal wall consist of the celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, then the gonadal artery and inferior mesenteric artery. These are the arteries present. The extent of the abdominal aorta is from T12 to L4. At the level of the L4, there is a bifurcation of the abdominal aorta. Other branches are the right renal artery and left renal artery, right suprarenal artery and left suprarenal artery. They are the right and left branches. Appendicitis, epiploidy are seen into the colon. Pears patches are present into the ileum. They are absent in the jejunum. Which part of the intestine consists of the Brunner's gland? The answer is duodenum. Duodenum consists of the Brunner's gland. Formation of a portal vein. Portal vein is formed by meeting of the splenic vein with the superior mesenteric vein. These are the tributaries. These are the two veins comes together to form the portal vein. Name the extrahepatic biliary apparatus. Consists of the right and left hepatic duct, then common hepatic duct, gallbladder, cystic duct and bile duct. What is the capacity of the gallbladder? 30 ml. What is the length of the cystic duct? 3 to 4 centimeters. What are the functions of the gallbladder? It stores the bile and absorption of water and concentrate it. What is the length of the bile duct? The length of the bile duct is 8 centimeters long. पहिले 40 मिनिटं गेले, झालंच नाही. गायमध्ये निघून गेला. 50 मिनिटं झाले. What is the weight of the spleen? The weight of the spleen is 7 ounces, that is 210 gram. Name the ligaments of the spleen. Spleen has 3 ligaments: gastrosplenic ligament, lineorenal ligament and phrenicocholic ligament. What is the blood supply of the spleen? Spleen is supplied by splenic artery, a branch of the celiac trunk. The celiac trunk is the largest branch of the abdominal aorta. It has 3 branches: gastric, hepatic and splenic arteries. The histological structure of the spleen consists of red pulp and white pulp. The weight of the pancreas is 90 gram. What are the parts of examination of a pancreas? Is head, neck, body and tail. What is the blood supply of the pancreas? Pancreas is supplied by pancreatic artery. Pancreatic artery, it is the pancreatic branch of the splenic artery, superior pancreatoduodenal artery and inferior pancreatoduodenal artery. Histology of the pancreas consists of acinar cells, the cells which are responsible for the secretion of the pancreatic juice, and remaining most of the acinar cells are 99% and 1% is there of Langerhans, alpha, beta and delta cells. They are responsible to secrete the insulin and glucagon. Five minutes. What are the surfaces of the liver? Anterior, posterior, superior, inferior and right. What are the lobes of liver? Liver has right lobe, left lobe. Right lobe is further divided into quadrant and quadrant. Then what are the bare areas of the liver? What is bare areas of the liver? Means the areas of the liver which are not covered by the peritoneum. For example, a triangular bare area on a posterior surface of a right lobe, a groove of the inferior vena cava, then the fossa for gallbladder, an area of the attachment of the racer omentum, and the fissure of the attachment of the ligamentum venosum. These are the bare areas where there is no covering of the peritoneum, is called as the bare area of the liver. What is the weight of the liver? The weight of the liver is 1600 grams in male and 1300 grams in female. What is blood supply of the liver? Liver is mainly supplied by portal vein 80% and 20% by hepatic artery. Hepatic artery is a branch of the celiac trunk. In the histological, what are the structures in the porta hepatis? What are the structures? Porta hepatis is a hilum in between the quadrate and quadrate lobe. The right and left hepatic duct comes out from the hepatic duct, which continues as a bile duct. Portal vein enters, hepatic plexus enters, hepatic artery enters, hepatic vein comes out from the porta hepatis. These are the structures present at the porta hepatis. We already studied it into the extrahepatic biliary apparatus. The histological structures of the liver consist of the hepatic lobule, and the hepatocyte is a structural and functional unit of the liver, and hepatic portal triad. Interiorly there are sinusoids, and the portal triad is a junction of the 3 to 4 hepatic lobules, and at the center there is a central vein. Inflammation of the liver is called as hepatitis. Inflammation of the pancreas is called as a pancreatitis. What is the weight of the kidney? The weight of the kidney is 150 grams. Kidney has two surfaces, two borders and hilum. The relations of the right and left kidney are little bit differ. Kidneys are supplied by renal arteries. Renal arteries are the branches of the abdominal aorta. Renal veins open into the inferior vena cava. Kidneys are covered by the capsule. Structural and function. In the histology, structural and functional unit of the kidney is nephron. Nephron consists of the glomerular tube, Bowman's capsule, proximal colonnade tubule, descending loop, ascending loop of Henle, distal cannulated tubule and collecting tubule. There are more than 30 lakh or 3 million, around 3 million of nephrons are there in each kidney. Kidney is rich in blood supply. What is the length of the ureter? The length of the ureter, which conveys the urine from the urinary bladder to from the kidney to the urinary bladder, the length is 5 inches. Ureter, length of the ureter. There are name the constrictions of the ureter. There are 5 ureter. The urine doesn't come from the kidney directly to the urinary bladder. There is a constriction. First constriction at the pelviureteric junction. Second at the brim of the lesser pelvis. The third is point of the crossing of the ureter by ductus deferens, and fourth is the during the oblique passage through the bladder wall and at its opening to the lateral angle of trigon. These are the 5 constitutions of the ureter. Ureter has an abdominal part and pelvic part. Histology of the ureter shows the innermost is the mucous membrane, middle layer is developed from the smooth muscle layer, and outward tunica adventitia. These are the layers of the ureter. Anterior surface of the left kidney is related with the duodenum. So relations of the right and left kidney are: what is the weight of the suprarenal gland? The suprarenal gland, the weight of the suprarenal gland is 5 gram. What are the hormones secreted by the right suprarenal gland is triangular in shape, while the left suprarenal gland is semilunar in shape. The suprarenal glands are supplied by suprarenal arteries. The hormones secreted. What are the layers of the suprarenal gland? It consists of 3 layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. What are the hormones secreted by the suprarenal gland? Glucocorticoids. The cortex secrete glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, and sex hormones, and the medulla secretes adrenaline and non-adrenaline, also called as the epinephrine and norepinephrine. The left suprarenal vein opens into the left renal vein, and right suprarenal vein opens directly into the abdominal inferior vena cava. Right suprarenal gland is supplied by directly from the abdominal aorta, suprarenal, and even from the branch of the renal artery. What are the structure? What are the large openings of the diaphragm? Diaphragm has a esophageal opening, vena caval opening, and the aortic opening. From the vena caval opening, the structures passing vena cava, right phrenic nerve, and lymphatics. Esophageal opening, esophagus, gastric nerves, and esophageal vessels. Through the aortic opening, the aorta, thoracic duct, and azygous vein. So question may be asked, what are the structures passing through the aortic opening? What are the structures passing through the vena cava opening? The 50% answer is in the name. And what are the structures in the vena cava, aortic, and the esophageal openings? Name the muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. It consists of mainly 4 muscles: the quadratus lumborum. The quadratus lumborum, it consists of 4 muscles. The main important is the quadratus lumborum, psoas major, psoas minor, and iliacus. These are the 4 muscles of the posterior abdominal wall. What are the female external genital organs? The labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, the anterior commissure, posterior commissure, the urethral opening, and vaginal opening. These are the parts of female external genital organs.